On 6th July 2025, in Calicut, a 2 months old boy had been taken to a local clinic to undergo circumcision. The doctor administered anesthesia. The boy developed suffocation. He was taken to the hospital, but he died. The Kakur police registered a case under section 194 for unnatural offense. Is this only an unnatural offense? No. This is clear a natural offense. A death had been caused by negligent acts. So this act comes within the purview of 106 of Bharatiya Nyaya Suraksha Samhita. This is an offense punishable with imprisonment which may extend up to 5 years. In our country, there is every right to believe, preach, practice any religion. But these are controlled by three aspects: public order, morality, and health. Here, not only an offense is committed, but this act is public order, morality, and health. This is to be viewed very seriously and strictly.